Look at how many attempts we had to try to get this hole right. Pause. That joke is crazy. That's a perfect fit. Good lord, these bugs.
All I gotta do is do this right here, because that's going to mark it on the other side so it won't damage.
Okay. Alright, you guys, so right now what he's doing is what you call a starter hole. Hey man, get y'all mind out the gutter, alright? Look, he's basically gonna drill a hole to just mark, you know, things on the other side, and then he's gonna go back with a bigger drill bit to do the correct size of the for the sensors. Also, I wanted to show you guys a real-time, I wanted to show you guys this in real time so you could see his process. So I'm sorry if it's long or, you know, whatever, but I wanted y'all to see it in real time so that way y'all can understand what's really happening. This is really easy if you have the right parts. Unfortunately, they don't make a drill bit for the size of the sensor, so you gotta kind of figure it out.
Right on this. Gotta get both sides of it. It's just gonna look ugly.
You like it me?
That's it. That glue go on there, hold it right there. It'll be all right.
Yeah, it's good now. Remember, because there was a part where it was red right here too.
Yeah. Well, the only thing about it, that bit I could.
Alright, y'all, so we got the holes, and as you can see, the holes, the circle is actual the size of the hole. And so if you don't have a drill bit like this one, you can get one, And see, this mark right here is what my dad put on the drill, because that's the size of the hole. But also, it's marked out. So the circle is the size of the hole, to make it a little bit more easier for you guys. But I don't know what type of drill bit this is, but that's what it looked like. I don't know if that helps, but it's like right in between a 1/8 to 1, so it's like a 1/16. So that's the size. Alright, so now you see my dad cleaning the sensors, cleaning the surfaces off with alcohol so that we can glue them to the bumper. The black tube stuff you see sitting right there and the stuff I showed you in the previous clip is what we're going to use. It's the same thing, so let's see how this goes. When I tell y'all that stuff was gooey, boy was it gooey. It was getting everywhere, but it actually held really well. It's still holding very well. It's a little skeptical at first, but it ends up working out in the end.
Choose your fighter.
Alright, y'all, so we officially just put the back bumper back on. So I'm going to go up under there and screw this stuff back together. I probably won't be able to show y'all that, but yeah, then I'm gonna put the lights back in. Unfortunately, I lost one of the screws for the lights, so I have to figure out what I'm gonna do about that. But yep, it's on, so let's get it. What's good, YouTube? I am back, and I know for y'all it's been like a few seconds, but this has been a long journey. So as you can see, the wide body is on the car. If I get up close, you can see sort of the imperfections that I'm dealing with here. I'm just gonna get straight to the point, y'all. It's done, but we got some touch-ups we gotta do. There's some spots with some holes in it that are coming up. But for the most part, it looks really good. But yeah, there's some spots that are not as laid down as they could be. There's also a few lines that are off, but things aren't gonna be perfect, so it is an aftermarket kit. But I wanted to show y'all the car, and just let y'all know to stay tuned for the next video I have coming out. It's gonna be a behind the scenes of trying different methods and etc. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn that bell notification on because that video will be out very soon. We're trying something else today. But yeah, he looks good. That wide body. It's